So William hit me up in our group chat, freaking out. He just saw a weird charge linked to 440 Terry Ave N, Seattle on his statement. William, guys, I think Amazon just scammed me. Wait, what? Amazon? Yeah, I saw this charge, Googled the address. It's Amazon's HQ, but I didn't buy anything. Bro, are you sure you didn't sleep order something? Happens to me all the time. I once woke up to a life-size Danny DeVito cutout in my living room. William. I wish. But nah, I checked my orders. Nothing. Alright, at this point, William was spiraling, so I had to step in. First rule of weird charges, don't panic, investigate. I told him to 1. Check his Amazon order history. Nothing. 2. Look at his subscriptions. Still nothing. 3. Call his bank. Now, this is where things got interesting. Now, the bank rep looked into it and said, "Sir, this charge is actually from a third-party seller using Amazon's payment system." Boom. Mystery solved. Turns out William had bought a random phone charger 3 months ago, and the seller had some delayed billing issue, aka sketchy business practices. Man, I almost canceled my whole Amazon account over this. Me, and missed out on those midnight impulse buys? Tragic. Now, before you run to cancel your card, remember, not every weird charge is fraud, but every weird charge needs to be checked. Here's what I told William to do next. Dispute the charge if he never received the item. Contact Amazon to report the seller. Set up purchase notifications so he can catch weird charges faster next time. And if you're wondering how to handle unauthorized charges without losing your mind, I've got something for you. I've referred tons of people to this ebook bundle on handling credit card issues, and they always come back thanking me. Their credit scores go up, they get better credit limits, and best of all, no more mystery charges. Grab it here. Back to William. After taking my advice, he got the charge refunded. And to celebrate, just ordered a Danny DeVito cutout for Sarah. Justice served.